and simultaneously completing your work on time. Students, let's start today's tutorial with two new terms of English. The very first term is pangram. A pangram is a unique sentence where every letter of the alphabet is used at least once. We have 26 letters in our alphabet, and a pangram is a sentence in which at least once the letter has been used. And here is the example. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You can see, children, that it is a pangram sentence and every letter has been used at least once. Next term which we are going to learn today, it is palindrome. A palindrome is a word or phrases or any sequence that reads the same backward as forward. Backward as forward. A palindrome is a word, phrase or a sequence. If you read from forward to backward and from backward to forward, it will be the same. Like madam, M-A-D-A-M. From this side to that side, it is madam. From backward side to forward also, it is the same madam. Nurses run. This phrase is also a palindrome because it is the same from backward to forward and forward to backward. Next example is Malayalam. It is also a palindrome word, and many more can be there. Now let's start our chapter number 4 from your reader book, that is Salam Namaste. Before understanding the chapter, let's know about the story, let's know about the characters. So students, let's know about the characters first of all. In chapter 4, Salam Namaste, the characters are Sudha Murthy, who is not only the writer of this chapter but the narrator of the story also. Next we have Muhammad Sheikh, his sister Zubeda, Zubeda's daughter Tabassum, and Sheikh's daughter Amina. Now let's know about the story, the outline of the story, and further we will move towards the explanation part. Namaste is a story by Sudha Murthy about a simple act of kindness that made a deep impact on her. Sudha Murthy used to buy books for Bangalore slum from Sheikh Muhammad's tiny book and stationery shop. They used to buy books and ask him to collect the check later. One day when Sheikh Muhammad went to collect the check, then sweets were being distributed. Sudha Murthy of course offered him the sweets, but he did not eat, rather he put them in his bag. Sudha Murthy asked him, "Are you diabetic that you are not eating the sweets?" Then he replied very politely, "No ma'am, there are 2 children in my family, and one is Amina, my daughter, and another one is Tabassum, who is my sister Zubeda's daughter. I am keeping these sweets for them." Then Sudha Murthy asked, "Why does your niece stay with you?" Then Sheikh Muhammad replied that my sister is a widow and she and her daughter Tabassum stay with us. Sudha Murthy was thinking and she couldn't control herself without asking, "Every need of your house, are you capable to fulfill that much family members through your earning from the stationery shop only?" Then he replied, "No ma'am, along with my income, my sister and my wife both are very good tailors, and whatsoever I earn, they earn from their tailoring work. We are contented." This word contented, Sudha Murthy had listened after a very long time, because these days when everyone is busy, in grabbing the money, in running behind the money. They are not satisfied and want more and more. So this word truly impressed Sudhamurti. So fine, that incident happened. Sheikh Muhammad, after collecting the check, went at his place. After some time, for many days, Sudhamurti did not meet Sheikh Muhammad. One day, Sheikh Muhammad called Sudhamurti and requested to make the check of payment in advance. Sudhamurti asked, "You have never asked for the check earlier in advance. Is everything okay? Why are you asking that?" Then he replied, "Ma'am, my sister Zubeda is suffering from cancer. I have sold my wife and Zubeda's jewelry. I have taken a loan also, and I want you to make the payment in advance so that will be helpful in the treatment, because an operation will be there for the treatment." Sudhamurti was thinking that since he was working with an NGO, many people used to come to her for false reason. They used to tell lie also. My child is in need of money. My husband is in need of money. They used to have diamonds in their bags. Even then they were asking for money and many lies. Sudhamurti recalled that how genuine this person is. He is asking for his rightful payment. He is not asking for any other money. Then Sudhamurti asked Sheikh Muhammad to visit my office with the papers of treatment. When he went there, Sudhamurti handed him a check of 50,000 rupees, on which Sheikh Muhammad was so much surprised, and he is a person who has reserved nature also. Then Sudhamurti said, "You just take the money, and if more is needed, then ask me." Sheikh Muhammad went for the treatment, and again for many more days he was not in contact with Sudhamurti. One day, Sheikh Muhammad along with his niece Tabassum went to Sudhamurti's office. He was sitting at reception when Sudhamurti went there and noticed him. He said, "Okay, Sheikh, how are you? How's your sister? I hope she is fine now." And Sheikh had tears in his eyes. His face was full of grief. The expressions of grief were there, and he said that she died 14 days back. Then he introduced Tabassum to Sudhamurti. Sudhamurti saw that Tabassum was not that much comfortable in the surrounding, and to make her comfortable, she offered her biscuit. And then Tabassum hesitantly asked for one more. "Can I take one more?" Sudhamurti of course said, "Yes, you can." Then Tabassum said that "I want another biscuit for my sister Amina, who is Sheikh's daughter." Then after that, Sheikh Muhammad took out 3,000 rupees and requested Sudhamurti to take them back. Sudhamurti said, "Why are you giving this money to me?" Then Sheikh Muhammad said, "We have used 47,000 rupees in the treatment, and it was Zubeda's last wish to return the leftover money, to return the remaining money to Sudhamurti, so that she can help any other people who are in need." Sudhamurti was so much impressed by Sheikh that they are so honest people. They are returning me the money. Then she said, "Do not give it back to me, rather keep it for Tabassum's studies." And she gave the money back to him. This was all about the story, my students. Now let's have a detailed explanation from the text.